Everyone, this is about Kali Linux 2020. This is the Kali Linux 2020 features. It has non-root by default, so it has long life for the system. And then a single installer image, a single file of ISO file, just 2 GB more. And then a new Kali Netcontent router tools. It has to use some more important image gathering tools. And how implement themes like on Windows 10 themes get imported in this 2021, and some more new tools, pen test tools get added. So non-rooted. If you need to root, type sudo root, and the default after installing that, the default username and password is given to the non-root user. The username is Kali, and the password is also Kali. Check it after install that. Okay. Single image is there, and then our installer images need by using terminal. Type this command to install the ISO file. Just 2 GB or 2.5 GB more, and then by basic that check your genome type IDs and then get installed. Okay, let me see how to install it. Type sudo t source file list in your terminal, and after that it will give an armmark to give set disk syntax to that, and to end that type next line to EFO. Okay, it will ask some more 1.4 GB, and check the current OS of your Kali Linux if you already have a Kali Linux 19 or 18 or 17. Okay, after that check it. Okay, I will wait a more further. Wait. My current version is 20.1, so I doesn't need to update that. I already updated. Okay, after that I use sudo apt-get update. It will take some much time, up to 5 minutes, and after that sudo app wipe full upgrade. It will upgrade your OSs. It will take some more hardly 1 hour, and then to reboot the system. It got a new Linux OS 2021. Thank you.